Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Gephi for network analysis step by step clearly. Download and install Gephi from the official website. Open Gephi after installation is complete. On the welcome screen, select New Project. Navigate to the Data Laboratory tab at the top. To import your data, click on Import Spreadsheet. Choose a suitable CSV file that contains your network data. Follow the prompts to correctly map your columns to the required fields. Once the data is imported, switch to the Overview tab. You will see a blank canvas where your network will be visualized. Now, click on Graph in the top menu bar to view the network structure. Adjust the layout by selecting Layout from the right panel. Choose a layout algorithm that suits your analysis, such as Fruchterman-Reingold. Click Run to apply the layout to your network. You can modify the display settings by adjusting node size and color. Go to the Appearance panel to apply different styles based on attributes. Once satisfied with the visualization, explore different filters using the Filters panel. Apply filters to isolate specific parts of your network. To analyze your network, navigate to the Statistics panel. Run various statistical tests to gain insights into the network's properties. After analysis, you can export your findings by going to File and then Export. Select your preferred format, such as PDF or PNG for visualizations. Save your project regularly to avoid losing your progress. Finalize your analysis by reviewing the visualizations and statistics. Gephi offers an extensive array of tools for deeper exploration, so take your time to experiment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.